Welcome, flower enthusiasts, to our delightful journey through the world of blossoms. Today, we're unveiling the secret to a vibrant garden all year round, the 9 best flower plants for every season. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these floral wonders will add a burst of color and charm to your outdoor space. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's dive into the beauty of nature's own kaleidoscope. 1. Springtime beauties. As the world awakens from its winter slumber, our gardens come alive with the first signs of spring. Picture a canvas painted with the soft hues of cherry blossoms and tulips. In this segment, we'll introduce you to the enchanting world of daffodils, hyacinths, and peonies. These early bloomers not only bring joy to your garden, but also symbolize the renewal of life. 2. The Summer Symphony. As the days grow longer and the sun shines brighter, it's time for the Summer Symphony of colors. Dive into a sea of vibrant zinnias, sunflowers, and roses. These resilient blooms endure the heat, filling your garden with energy and warmth. We'll explore their unique characteristics, from the sun-loving sunflowers to the romantic allure of roses, making your summer garden a true spectacle. 3. Autumn's Pallet. As the air crisps and leaves start to fall, our gardens transform into a breathtaking mosaic of autumn colors. Discover the magic of marigolds, asters, and chrysanthemums, the unsung heroes of the fall season. These plants not only add a touch of nostalgia, but also thrive in cooler temperatures, extending the beauty of your garden well into the changing season. 4. Winter wonders. Contrary to popular belief, winter gardens can be just as enchanting as their warmer counterparts. Explore the world of winter jasmine, pansies, and camellias, hardy plants that brave the cold to showcase their delicate blooms. These winter wonders bring a sense of serenity and beauty to your outdoor space when everything else seems to be in hibernation. 5. Perennial Delights. Now, let's dive into the world of perennial flowers, the evergreen beauties that grace your garden year after year. From the cheerful daisies to the graceful lavender, these timeless favorites offer a sense of continuity and reliability. We'll guide you on creating a perennial garden that becomes a sanctuary, evolving and maturing with each passing season. 6. Container gardening magic. Not everyone has the luxury of a sprawling garden, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy the beauty of flowers. In this segment, we'll explore the world of container gardening with petunias, geraniums, and begonias. These versatile plants thrive in pots, adding a touch of color to balconies, patios, or even windowsills. Container gardening is a fantastic way to bring the joy of blooms into any living space, no matter how small. 7. Low-maintenance marvels. Life can get busy, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice a beautiful garden. Join us as we unveil the world of low-maintenance flower plants, the go-to choices for busy gardeners. From the resilient daylilies to the easygoing daisies, these plants require minimal care while delivering maximum visual impact. It's the perfect solution for those who want a stunning garden without spending hours on maintenance. 8. Fragrant florals. A garden isn't just about visuals. It's about engaging all your senses. In this segment, we'll explore the world of fragrant florals that captivate your sense of smell. From the sweet aroma of lavender to the intoxicating scent of jasmine, these flowers add an extra layer of sensory delight to your outdoor space. Create a garden that not only looks beautiful, but also smells heavenly. 9. Butterfly and bee havens. Invite nature's pollinators into your garden with flowers that attract butterflies and bees. In this segment, we'll introduce you to the magical world of butterfly bush, coneflowers, and bee balm. These plants not only add a lively buzz to your garden, but also play a crucial role in supporting local ecosystems. Be prepared to witness the dance of butterflies and the diligent work of bees as they turn your garden into a vibrant haven. Congratulations! You've just embarked on a journey through the seasons, exploring the 10 best flower plants that will turn your garden into a year-round masterpiece. Whether you're embracing the delicate blooms of spring or reveling in the hardy wonders of winter, these plants promise to bring joy and beauty to your outdoor space. So, go ahead, pick your favorites, and let the blossoming adventure begin. Happy gardening!